Hello, what's up guys? My name is Gazanfali and in this video I'm going to show you how you can rename and personalize Hello Elementor WordPress theme and change the title of this theme to any other title that you want. You can also change this branding and these tags and all of this description alongside with this image. So this will help you being more professional while delivering your website to your client. This will add more personalization to your web design business. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is to go to this URL wordpress.org/theme/hello-elementor and download this theme as a zip file. Also, what you need to do is to download the child theme as well. For that, you will have to go to the URL that says github.com/elementor/hello-theme-child. I have already downloaded both of those zip files. What I'm going to do is to extract these files on my desktop. So now here I have Hello Elementor theme, parent theme, and then I have the child theme right here. For this video you need a code editor. For that you may use the Sublime Text or the Visual Code. I am going to use the Visual Code for this example. And then what I need is to go to this view tab and then edit layout, and I want a 2 columns layout so that I can use that layout while keeping an eye on both of those files. So when you will open the folder, what you need is to find the file that's named style.css. So I have this style theme, style file, and if we check this, I have this style. So my style.css file is this. I'll drag this and paste it right here. So here I have all the things included in the style.css file. I will quickly import the style.css file of the child theme as well in the editor. So right here, if you see, we have the theme name, which is Hello Elementor currently, and then we have theme URL, and then we have description of the theme, and then author URI, and then we have some other informations along with license information, and then we have text domain information. All right, then we have tags. Now how do you locate them on your dashboard? If you see, this is the title, which is this one, Hello Elementor. Then we have theme URI, this is included in that file, and then we have why this Elementor theme, and that is the author right here. So we need to change all of those files. So what you will need to do is that you can change the name of this file. So for this particular video, I'm going to name it as my awesome theme. I renamed the Hello Elementor to the my awesome theme, and then I want to rename the child theme as well. So I will name it as my awesome child theme. Okay, so what you need to do first of all is to change this theme name, and we will add the theme name to my awesome theme. Then you will need to change the theme URI or URL. For that you can add the URL of your own if you want, or you can change that. What I'm going to do is to change the theme URI to the URL of my website, which is the weberpro.com. I'll copy this URL and then I will paste that URL in here, right in there. Sorry, I need to change the author URL, which is this one. So I will change this to the URL of mine. Then you can change the description. I would recommend to change the description with some sort of contact information of your own, so that after some time, like a year or two, if someone or your client try to contact you back, then they have the option to contact you back. So let's say, thank you for installing the theme, and if you have any questions, contact us back at your email. That is your email. You can do that. Then if you want, you can keep the version stable tag and require added is tested. I don't want to keep them, so I'll remove them. Then I'll keep the license and license URI information right here. You can please note that you have to change the text domain. This is very crucial. So for the text domain, you will have to ensure that you use the same name that you have renamed this. So you will have to use this title, which is my awesome theme. I'll use this and I'll paste it right here, and I need to add some of these dashes. Then if you want, you can add the tags. I don't want to add the tags. That's it. That is all you have to do, and after that you can save that by using Ctrl S on Windows. After that, once that is done, we can change the same thing right here. For the theme name, this is our hello Elementor child theme. We'll copy this and we'll rename this right here, hello Elementor child. So you can see our text domain is already changed, but the important thing is you will have to change the template from here as well, and for that you will have to ensure that you enter the label of your parent theme here, which is my awesome theme. So I will copy this and I will paste it right here, my awesome theme, and I'll have to add some hyphens and hyphens. There you can add the URL of your website, which is this one. I will copy this and I will paste it right here. Then the template, you can copy the same author name and paste it right here. That's it. That's all you'll have to do, and then you can click on save. These are only changes that you will have to do. Once that is done, you can close this and close this one as well, and then close this. Now if you see, we have our new files created, which is only the style CSS file here, and we have style child file right here. So I will cut this file from there. This is my awesome theme file right here. right here and right here. Next thing what we have to do is to change this screenshot which appear right here. So we'll have to change this image. For that you can like design this file using Adobe Photoshop or Canva or any other design tool, and then what you will have to do is to delete this screenshot from here and paste your newly designed thumbnail to this folder, this same folder, and make sure you named that folder as screenshot, and then you are all good to go. Once that is done, you can then again add them into the zip files, right, like this. Add to archive my awesome theme dot rar or zip or something like that, and click on add. That is created, and then add to archive. Okay, so now we have our new theme file created with the change name, and then you can simply go to your theme section and you can click on add new, and then you can upload those theme files right here and they will appear right there. So this is all in this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.